In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Fontlab coupon code, which is going to save you a massive $40 off your order. Now, in order to get started, the first thing you must do is actually click the link in the video description down below. And when you click on that link, you will actually get taken to this page. From there, you should be able to see this at the top, which talks about Fontlab 8. And we can click this blue button down here, which says Discover Fontlab 8.3. From there, we get taken to the Fontlab 8 page, and we have two options in the bottom right corner. We can either try it for free, or we can buy Fontlab. Now, since we're trying to enter in a coupon code, we're going to choose buy Fontlab, and it now takes us to this pricing page where we can see all of the different pricing. Now, you can go ahead and choose a starter license if you want, but for this video, I'm just going to be choosing the Pro Lifetime license, which is normally $499. So what we have to do is click buy now, and as you can see, it now brings open this page where we can start entering in our card details. However, at the top, we can see this option which says coupon code. So you want to click on coupon code here, and now we can start entering in this code. You want to type in SANS8ION. So once you're sure that your code looks exactly like this, we can go ahead and click apply. And as you can see, that price gets changed from $499 down to $459, meaning that we've now saved ourselves $40 when we go to buy Fontlab. All you have to do from here is enter in the rest of your details, such as your name, your billing address, and we can go ahead and pay that $459 to complete the purchase and to buy Fontlab 8. So this has been my video showing you the best Fontlab coupon code. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.